Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blue margarita cocktail. Let's dive right into the essentials for crafting this visually stunning and delicious drink. First, you'll need 1.5 ounces of your favorite silver tequila. Next, grab 1 ounce of blue curacao, which gives our margarita its signature hue and a lovely orange note. Don't forget 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice for that essential tang, and 1/2 ounce of agave nectar or simple syrup to balance the flavors. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare your glass and mix the liquids. First, take a lime wedge and run it around the rim of your margarita glass to moisten it. Then, gently dip the rim into a shallow plate of coarse salt or sugar, depending on your preference. Next, pour the 1.5 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of blue curacao, 3/4 ounce of lime juice, and 1/2 ounce of agave nectar into your cocktail shaker. Finally, fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice. With all your ingredients in the shaker, it's time for the fun part. Shaking. Make sure the lid is securely fastened to prevent any spills. Now, shake the cocktail vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This isn't just about mixing. It's crucial for properly chilling and diluting your drink, ensuring every sip is perfectly balanced and refreshing. You'll know it's ready when the outside of the shaker feels very cold to the touch. Almost there. Now, carefully remove the lid from your shaker. Using a strainer, pour the beautifully chilled blue margarita mixture into your salt-rimmed or sugar-rimmed glass. Be sure to hold back any ice from the shaker. For the perfect finishing touch, garnish your stunning blue cocktail with a fresh lime wheel or a simple lime wedge. Your refreshing blue margarita is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.